Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an arc dynamic link library error. So first thing to do, you can try to run system file checker. You can try to run a command prompt by by typing cmd and run as administrator. Here you can click yes and try to type sfc space hashtag scan now. Then you can enter to fix a like missing file, corrupted file on your system. So and I hope you can restore the Unarc.dll error, Unarc.dll files. And also you can try to reinstall your game, or maybe you can try to download a runtime, or like this. Here let us support the Visual C redistributable latest download from a Microsoft.com. You can try to install Visual Studio in order to run every application and game that you want to play, or you can try to download manually an Unarc.dll from any trusted sources. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. See you in the next video.